In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to contact Google support in 2025. First, go to support.google.com in your web browser. This is Google's main help center where you can find solutions to most common issues and access different support options. On the Help Center page, you'll see icons for different Google products like Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube, and more. Click on the specific product you need help with to access targeted support options. Once you select your product, scroll down and look for the specific topic, then scroll down again, then tap Contact Us. Now, all you have to do is fill up the necessary info, then pick which one of the two contact options you are good with. Let's say we want to do a live chat. Now, Google Support will chat with you, and all you have to do is cooperate and explain your issues as simple as possible. And that's how you contact Google Support in 2025. Start with the Help Center, use product specific support, and remember that paid users get priority access to direct support channels.